Hello everyone, this is Rick, and today we have another great demonstration of the power and the magic of Instantbond. Here we have a pool vacuum brush, and the weight has come off, so got to get it back to work, and we need to fix this immediately. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to do this one-handed to even show you how easy it is to apply. First, what we'll do is we'll apply the activator on one side, okay, liberally. And as you can see, this flash dries, okay? Now you can use that, that'll stay activated for days upon days, and there's no need to rush, okay? It doesn't matter if it dries because it's activated right now. Now the other side is where we put the adhesive, okay? And again, you're gonna do this one-handed because I'm a one-man operation here. And, this was just too good of an item to let go and not show you the power, okay, of Instantbond. Now, unlike any other glue, you'd have to wait. You have to wait. We're talking hours, days, and you have to hold it down, or other super glues are 1/100th the power of this. Now, this is something that is permanent. There's no going back after this. Once you apply this and once you let it cure, within a matter of, I would say, 3 to 5 seconds, you're done here, okay? So I'm gonna put this back on, okay? Here we are. And give it a hammer. And you're done, okay? So, again, you just give that 3 to 5 seconds, whatever, 10 seconds, and make sure that it's in place. Again, you don't have to hold it. You're done here. Anything else, you're waiting for days. Never mind all this other glue. This is not just glue. This is a solution, okay? Solution to the problem. You don't have to wait anymore. This is ready to go back. This is going back in the water in the next minute, and it ain't never coming off. You're gonna have to take it off with a chisel, okay? So, again, Rick, till next time, thank you.